Welcome to part 2 of The Cub. If you haven't already watched part 1 of The Cub, go ahead and scan the side that says number 1 on it now. If you've already done part 1, we're going to start with some review. We're going to play Beat the Teacher with these sight words that you learned yesterday or the last time you watched the video. Play Beat the Teacher by saying the word before I do. Ready? Say the word. Saw. Say the word. Done. Say the word. More. Say the word. Was. Say the word. What? Say the word. Do. Say the word. And. Say the word. That. How many sight words did you remember from the first time we did this? All right. The other thing we're going to practice is our CVC decodable words. These are words that you can sound out, and the middle letter is going to say its short vowel sound. Say the sounds with me and then blend together. Ready? Here we go. B-ed, bed, l-egg, leg, ip, hip, ugh, hug, sip, sip. All right, say the words and sounds out loud with me. Here we go. P-en, pen, ud, mud, am, ham, ob, mob, id, mid. Last row, ready, read. P-ig, pig, an, ran, ox, b-egg, beg, d-ig, dig. How did you do at your CVC words? Did you use your B&D strategy if you needed it? Way to go. Now we're going to read our story together. Ready? Say the words with me. The Cub. Keep reading with me. I saw a cub. The cub sat in the sun. The cub was in the mud. What will the cub do in the mud? The cub will dig in the mud. He dug and dug. The cub had fun in the mud. That is a lot of mud. The cub will go in the tub. The cub had fun in the tub. The cub is done in the tub. No more mud, cub. Did you read along with me? Doing that is going to help you become a better reader. Another thing you can do to keep improving as a reader is duet reading. That means two people read. I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say the, and you would say cub. Let's try it. The. All right. We're going to keep doing this pattern of me reading the words in white and you reading the words in yellow. Let's try it again. I, a, the, sat, the. Did you say all the words in yellow? The, was, the, what, the, do, the. Keep reading those words in yellow. The, will, in, mud. Dug, dog. The, had, in, mud. Is, lot, mud. The, will, in, tub. Cub, fun. The, last page, finish strong, friends. The, is, in, tub. More, cub. How'd you do at duet reading? Were you able to say those words in yellow? Way to go. The next thing we're going to do is work on our comprehension. Comprehension means I understand what I read. I have some questions that we're going to talk about that are going to help us know if you understood what you read. Say this question out loud with me. Where was the cub? Say the answer out loud. On page 2, I saw this answer. Read with me. The cub was in the mud. That was one answer. You also could have said, the cub will go in the tub. That was another place the cub was. All right, ready? Let's read the next comprehension question. What did the cub do? Say your answer out loud. Page 3, we can see something the cub did. Read with me. The cub will dig in the mud. All right. What does our last question say? Ready? Read with me. Where did the cub have to go? Say your answer out loud. We talked about this earlier. Read the sentence with me. The cub will go in the tub. How did you do with your comprehension? Did you understand what you read? Now it's time to get out your pencil and this sheet. We're going to start with the CVC part of this sheet. We're going to write 3 CVC words. The first word will go on this line. The word is dug. Say the sounds in the word dug out loud. Now write one letter for each sound that you said. Dug. Write dug on this line. Dug. Pause the video if you need more time. We're going to take a look at that word dug. Dug is spelled with a D, D, a, U, and G is a G. Check that your D has the circle first. D, D. Pause the video if you need more time. Now we're going to go on to our second word. On the second line, you're going to write the word cub. Say the sounds you hear in cub. Write one letter for each of the 3 sounds in cub. Cub. Write cub on the second line. Cub. Pause the video if you need more time to write cub. This is how you spell cub. The K is a C, A is a U, and B is a B. Check that you wrote your B correctly with the line first. B, B, bat. Pause the video if you need more time. If you got this correct, on the circle you can put a check mark. If you didn't get it correct, you may go ahead and fix it now. And pause the video if you need more time. Let's go on to our third word. Our third line is the word mud. Say the sounds in mud and write one letter for each sound that you hear. Mud. Mud. Write the word mud on this last line. Mud. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's check out the word mud. This is the word mud. The is an M, is a U, and the D is a D. Check that the D has the circle first. D, dog. Pause the video if you need more time, and give a check mark if you get it correct. If not, you're fixing your mistakes. You're writing your letters nice and neat, just like I did. Mud. Now we're going to move down to the star. Here's where we'll write our sentence. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 words in our sentence. The sentence is, I saw that cub. Say it with me. I saw that cub. We'll start with the word I. Write the word I on this line. I. Remember that the letter I is always capitalized anytime that it's a word by itself. I. It's an uppercase letter. The second word is saw. I saw. Write the word saw on this second line. Saw. I saw. I saw. The word saw goes on the second line. The next part of the sentence is that cub. I saw that. Let's write the word that on this third line. That. Say the word as you sound it out, and remember the hard parts of these words. That. That. Write the word that on the third line. That. I saw that. Now we have a CVC word, cub. Say the sounds and write one letter for each sound you hear. Cub. Write the word cub on this last line. Cub. I saw that cub. Check that you put an N mark at the end of your sentence. I saw that cub. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's take a look at what the sentence looks like. The first word in our sentence is the word I. Did you remember to make I an uppercase letter? Give yourself a check mark if you have I written correctly. If not, go ahead and fix it. The next word is saw. The S is made by an S. The A is made with an A and a W. S, ah. We have to remember the AW by heart. If you don't have S, A, W, write it now. And once you do, you may give yourself a check. Notice that this word is all under this dotted line, and the letters are sitting on the bottom line. Make yours look like mine. I saw that. The word that has a digraph first. The sound is made with a TH. We have to remember that by heart. At. The A is an A and the T is a T. At. That. Make yours look like mine and then give yourself a check. I saw that cub. The word cub is a CVC word. Let's sound it out. B. Did you make sure to start your B with a bat? Bat. Did you make sure to put a period at the end of your sentence? Once you have that, give yourself a check mark. Let's read our sentence again. I saw that cub. You may pause the video and make sure that your sentence looks like mine until you get all check marks the whole way across. Were there any words that were hard for you writing this sentence? I wonder if these heart words were a little tricky. If so, you might want to practice writing these words 3 times each so you can learn them. Saw and that. I hope you worked hard today as you continue to grow to become a better reader. Way to go, friends!